Meanwhile, at Rockaway Parkway, please like and subscribe the video. This is the last stop on this train. Thank you for riding on at MTA New York City Subway. This is the Brooklyn-bound L train. The next stop is East 105th Street. Stand clear of the closing doors, please. Be back in 1 minute. I am back. I am back. Yo, it's my dude. Okay, now let's get this started. Ding, ding, ding. This is the Manhattan-bound L train. This is the Manhattan-bound L train. The next stop is East 105th Street. Not again, trains. What in the heck are you doing? Oh my god. Oh, now the work train has to come again. Oh, I forgot. I can just do it with my hands. By the way, wait a second. I never realized those are like balls and those are, whatever. Okay, I'm just gonna investigate this train. Yeah, it's probably because it was one of the older versions. Yeah, anyways, that's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe. This station was Rockaway Parkway Canarsie with the L. And also, new R2. Also, we're going to do an unboxing R211 train on Wednesday or tomorrow. Okay, bye.